Miss Kathy. My grandpa and I came from Planet Rhapsodia to power up an age-old secret society. With my new friends, our mission is to battle troublemaking aliens around Singletown. We are the Monster Buster Club.
Attention, Monster Buster Club! I'm taking time out from my vacation to pass on a serious bulletin. An extremely dangerous alien may be approaching Earth. He goes by the alias Moochie, and your top priority is to make absolutely sure not to let him near my...
Let him near your what?
He must be traveling in the Crab Nebula again. Reception there is the worst.
Oh, forget it, guys. Looks like we've got bigger problems.
Unknown alien approaching the clubhouse.
I've got it here, too. Looks like a hostile.
MBC,
power up!
Moochie! What's going on?
I don't know, and I'm not waiting to find out.
Wait! No! Don't hurt him! He's my husband!
And Frida?
I'm so glad to introduce you all to my Moochie Woochie Smoochie.
Charmed, I am sure.
So why didn't I know about this husband of yours?
We just met at one of his concerts. My Moochie is the greatest opera singer in the galaxy. That's right! He's played the Paladonium. He even opened for Brian Adamapple at the Expagoo 99.
Brian Adamapple! He makes my toes curl. He makes my ears spin. He's just dreamy.
Well, according to the Intergalactic Commander...
Moochie's welcome here anytime. Hang on, I'm coming. Emergency MBC meeting, now.
Mr. Smith, you heard what the commander said?
Of course I did, and I know just what this Moochie character's after. The Commander's prized comic collection. They're stored beneath the clubhouse, remember?
Just when I thought things couldn't get any weirder.
So that's what the Commander was trying to say. Don't let him near my comic collection.
Indeed. And now this intergalactic scoundrel wants to infiltrate the MBC clubhouse using my poor innocent sister.
Oh, what a rat's new Fargus! Let's bust him!
Wait! Your aunt is like a delicate little flower.
Poor Frida. When she finds out that her husband's a phony, it'll crush her.
We have to keep her as far away from Moochie as possible.
And we have to keep Moochie away from those comics.
Follow my lead, MBC. I have a plan.
Oh, Moochie! I haven't felt this young since my mid-300s!
And I feel like the luckiest man this side of Neptune's net. Now, why don't you finish showing me around?
No, I mean, right now I need Frida's help. You see, poor Samantha's been hit with a terrible case of Floozer-Schnitzer syndrome.
I have? Oh, I mean, oh, yes! Oh, the pain! Let me just have a look-see. Oh, my! That's not good! Really?
Yes, so if you could just take her inside the house and keep an eye on...
Fiddle-faddle! I'll do you one better! I'll cure her! Not to worry, Honey Biscuits. You're in good hands. Just give me a few Rhapsodian herbs and spices, and we'll have you back on your feet in no time. Try not to miss me too much, Smoocheroo. This won't take a minute.
All right, now to evacuate this phony.
Not until I get instructions from the Commander. With my sister involved, this is a very sensitive case. For now, we must concentrate on keeping Moochie as far away from those comic books as possible.
Oh, I know just the place. Come on, Uncle Moochie, follow me.
I'd better keep an eye on Kathy while Kathy keeps an eye on Moochie.
And since the first part of Mr. Smith's plan went so well, I'd better help him contact the commander.
Lucky for you, I got here when I did.
Yeah, lucky.
If we don't attack this Floozer-Schnitzer syndrome aggressively, it could mandelbark your flagons, or Schloosseldorf your pectinoids, or worse.
My pectinoids?
Kathy, are you sure bringing Moochie to school is the best idea?
Oh, sure, he'll blend right in.
Frida was right. This Earth cuisine is simply sublime.
I see what you mean.
Oh, hi guys! Want to be interviewed for, like, my latest hard-hitting survey for the school paper?
Of course, Wendy. Anything I can do to help.
Great! So, like, do you think that Singletown Middle should offer a special class for those students who are, fashionally challenged? Like, yikes, who's that?
Oh, that's my uncle. He must have, eaten something that didn't agree with him.
Ooh, I'd love to get his opinion, too.
Cooper Jinx, is that what I think it is?
Like, what's he doing?
Oh, he's, practicing to be a mime.
Singing mime.
Bad, Moochie. No, 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 no.
Itchy. They must put a lot of sugar in those Earth parking meters.
Your uncle is a total freak! I am so gone!
Oh, Frida Weeda.
Just wanted to tell you Sam's treatment is coming along very well.
Why is she telling you about Sam's treatment?
No, because we're married, and married people tell each other everything.
Could we speak to Sam?
Sam's just a little tied up right now, but don't worry, I'm taking very good care of her. What's that taste like, dear?
Oh, minty, with a hint of meat.
No good. We need more wanga roots.
I don't know how much more Sam can take. Any luck with the commander?
Not yet, but this Rhapsodian range expander I've rigged should help. Commander, can you read me? Oh my, it must have dialed the wrong galaxy. No.
Yeah, I'll see if I can dig up some more info on Moochie.
Come on, Kath. We gotta get Moochie away from the school. Well, what do we have here? Just a little family situation, Mark, so if you'd please excuse us. All right, I'll go. If you give me your autographed baseball. Fine, whatever you want. Just go, go!
Right after you repeat that promise into my integrated cell phone recorder. Don't forget to specify the time and date right into the microphone. I figured your family was weird, but what's up with that guy?
Allergic reaction.
Why must you people mock me so?
Moochie, come back here!
Hey, now you owe me a ball and a new cell phone!
We have to stop him! I'll take the high road, you take the low road! I think you've gone far enough, Uncle!
Looks like your little charade is over, Moochie.
You must get me back to the clubhouse! You don't understand!
Oh, we understand exactly what you're after, and you're not gonna get it!
Attention all students! Report to homeroom! Double time!
I tried to stop it, but now you must pay! Now you must all pay!
Chris, do you read me? Oh, I can't get through to the clubhouse!
Sam, are you there? We could use a little backup here.
You're not the only one! Frida's crazy!
Oh, I've almost got the perfect cure for Klingendorfer's disease.
Klingendorfers? I thought I had Floozer-Schnitzers.
Exactly. That's what I said. Now, get your rest, sweet Petunia. You're gonna need it.
I'll try to get there soon, but I'm starting to think Frida's up to something.
Looks like we're on our own.
We could have done this the easy way. Nobody had to get hurt.
Correction! Nobody will get hurt, except you!
The coast is clear.
We can't wait any longer! Let's bust this poser!
Nice move, Uncle Moochie, but let's see how you like my Rhapsodian rumba!
Gotcha! Sorry, Mooch. Looks like the honeymoon's over.
Why do I hear students who should be in class? And why do I see a non-student on school property?
Oh, that's my, uncle. He's, a singer.
Singer, eh? Well, that would explain the bizarre appearance.
Don't worry, ma'am. He was just leaving.
Not so fast! I've been working on a little number for the school marching band, and I've been looking for a professional to help me finish it.
I'd be perfect. Look at these reviews from my last concert.
Principal Rollins, I don't think that's a good idea.
Nonsense! He's perfect! Now, get back to class!
Ugh! Why would Moochie want to go with Principal Rollins?
Why would anyone want to go with Principal Rollins?
Maybe this will tell us. Moochie must have dropped it.
I'll get this back to the clubhouse. Don't let Moochie out of your sight.
Ziwa! You get the commander?
No, but this range expander is marvelous. I'm instant messaging my cousin Leon all the way in the Pelican Nebula.
Well, you can tell your cousin Leon that I've been running a background check on Moochie, and I found something interesting. I cross-referenced those venues that he performed at, and they all have one thing in common. They don't exist.
I knew he was an imposter. And to think he wanted to use my sweet, innocent sister who had never even heard a fly. No.
Don't hurt me!
Now just don't move, sweetie pie. After I'm finished, you won't be feeling any pain.
Help! No! Don't!
Hey! Frida? Where'd you go?
Somebody get me out of here!
Hey, Chris, you might want to run this through the substance analyzer. Something tells me Moochie's even crazier than we thought.
It's a review from Moochie's show at the Paladonium.
But I thought you said his concert venues don't exist.
Correction, they did exist before they were all destroyed.
But how could that happen?
Because Moochie is a Klingendorfer. His voice is powerful enough to cause mass destruction.
My range expander, it works! But Commander, you told us he was after your comic collection.
I said no such thing. I told you to keep him away from microphones.
Microphones?
I trust that won't be a problem.
No, sir. I assure you, everything is completely under control.
Guys, it's Frida! She's disappeared!
Oh, hi, everybody! Does anyone know where Moochie put his singing suit?
What? Why?
Because Principal Rollins wants him to sing her song in front of the whole school. Isn't that just great?
On the bright side, as Klingendorfers age, their voices can only do limited damage. Unless, of course, they use an artificial amplification device.
You mean, like the school's PA system?
Klingendorfers? Frida said something about that.
Yeah, must have been a coincidence. Right now, we must get to the school before it's too late.
Hold on, Smith. You've already bungled this mission enough. I demand you take me with you.
But he's out of VCON range. The only way is your expander.
I've got an idea. You go ahead. I'll catch up.
Let's go!
status report?
I downloaded some more info on Moochie. Looks like he was released from an intergalactic rehab facility just before he married Frida.
Rehab for what?
It says here he's a singaholic.
A singaholic with a destructive voice? Now that's a bad combination.
Oh, I feel awful. Me and Daddy led him right down the path of temptation. Underneath it all, I bet Moochie's a really nice guy.
Song good.
Huh? What are you doing?
Warming up my voice. For the performance of a lifetime.
Moochie should be right around here somewhere.
We need to make sure the students stay inside where it's safe.
Okay, let's bust him.
No, you wait for me!
Mr. S, what's with the do?
This range expander is the only way for me to communicate with the commander at such a great distance. Now, where's Moochie? Huh? Think I found him!
Come on, let's blast this guy once and for all!
Hold your fire, Kathy! You'll hit your grandfather!
Mr. Smith, make sure Moochie doesn't get that range expander!
Oh, he won't! I hardwired it directly to my brain!
That's really smart and really dumb all at the same time.
That's Grandpa!
You guys take the front. Danny and I have the back.
There you go, Smith. A front row seat for the concert of the century.
If you don't mind, I forgot to grab my earplugs.
Silence! I've waited years for this moment, and now it is here. It's time to start the music! It's time to light the lights! It's time to sing!
I told you this was a bad idea.
What?
Yeah, I was talking to the commander.
But he's right, Moochie. This is a bad idea.
A very bad idea.
Haha! Yes! Au contraire! Thanks to my new favorite brother-in-law, the entire universe will behold my glory! It's showtime!
Let's make sure there's no time for a curtain call.
Hey, you should really watch your mouth!
Nobody disrespects my gadgets like that!
What is that sound? Aha! Oh, that's the sound of my music. The sweet sound of my music.
There's someone who appreciates my singing. Thank you! Easy come, easy go. Besides, my warm-up is complete. Now time for the real show.
What are we gonna do? If he sings into that thing, it could roast the whole universe!
Starting with my grandpa!
And our weapons are useless against him!
Well then, we'll just have to do this the old-fashioned way!
I'd like to dedicate this first number to my lovely wife. It's too bad she couldn't be here tonight.
Guess again, Moochie. Everybody hit the deck.
Neek, you've cured me. Oh.
Now come to Mama.
Cured him? You mean you knew all along?
Please, child. What do you think we came to Earth for? I knew my brother's garden was the only place to find a cure for Moochie's little problem. A scooter, a scooter, a scooter, a scooter.
If you don't mind, could somebody get me out of here?
Hold tight, Mr. Smith, and we'll have you out of that foxhole in no time!
May I just say, I am so glad to have you back.
Mr. Smith, I think you're very special, too.
Oh, actually, I was talking to the commander.
A scooter, a scooter, a scooter.
Strange as it sounds, I think I'll miss having the commander inside my noggin.
And we'll miss all of you. Never a dull moment here.
Especially when you're around, Aunt Frida.
I think this calls for a good old-fashioned family sing-song. Take it away!